Introduction: creating a beautiful backyard without spending a fortune. A small backyard can become one of the most enjoyable spaces around your home, even with a limited budget. You don't need expensive landscaping or luxury furniture to create a peaceful outdoor retreat. With thoughtful planning, vertical gardening, recycled materials, and simple decorative touches, every corner can feel inviting and full of life. In today's video, we'll explore 30 inspiring small backyard garden ideas that combine affordability, creativity, and beautiful vertical plants to help you transform even the smallest outdoor space into a relaxing green sanctuary. Start with a simple garden layout, planning every corner before you build. Before buying plants or decorations, spend some time planning your backyard layout. Measure the available space and decide where sunlight falls throughout the day. Reserve room for walking paths, seating, and planting zones. A clear layout prevents overcrowding and helps every feature feel intentional. Even inexpensive materials look elegant when arranged with balance. Careful planning also allows you to maximize every square meter without making the garden appear cluttered. Build a wooden pallet vertical garden, turning recycled wood into living green walls. Old wooden pallets are among the most affordable materials for vertical gardening. After sanding and sealing the wood, attach small pots or planter boxes filled with herbs, flowers, or leafy plants. Lean the pallet against a fence or mount it securely on a wall. The vertical design saves precious ground space while creating an eye-catching feature that adds texture, color, and natural charm to any compact backyard. Hang colorful planters on your fence, making empty walls bloom with vibrant flowers. Instead of leaving fences plain, use them as growing spaces. Install simple hooks or inexpensive brackets to hang lightweight flower pots filled with colorful annuals, cascading vines, or aromatic herbs. This method instantly transforms an ordinary fence into a living backdrop while keeping the ground open. Mixing different pot sizes and plant varieties creates depth and movement without requiring a large gardening budget. Grow climbing plants naturally, adding height with elegant green vines. Climbing plants are one of the easiest ways to make a small backyard feel lush. Install simple wire grids bamboo poles, or recycled trellises for vines like jasmine, morning glory, or clematis to climb. As they mature, these plants soften hard surfaces, provide gentle shade, and create a cozy atmosphere. Vertical greenery also makes the backyard appear taller and more spacious than it actually is. Use stackable pots for extra greenery, creating multi-level plant displays. Stackable planters allow you to grow numerous flowers, herbs, or vegetables while using very little floor space. Their layered design creates visual interest and makes maintenance easier because every plant remains accessible. These vertical towers work especially well in corners or beside patios. They provide a modern look while helping beginner gardeners cultivate a surprisingly diverse collection of plants within a compact backyard. Install floating garden shelves, displaying plants like natural artwork. Simple wooden shelves attached to fences or walls can become elegant displays for potted plants. Arrange pots of different heights, leaf shapes, and colors to create a balanced composition. Small decorative lanterns or garden ornaments can be added between plants for extra personality. Floating shelves elevate greenery to eye level, making the backyard feel more curated while leaving valuable ground space completely free. Reuse everyday items as planters. Creative gardening through smart recycling. Many household items can enjoy a second life as unique garden containers. Old buckets, watering cans, wooden crates, tin cans, and vintage baskets all become charming planters with a little creativity. Paint them in coordinating colors or leave them weathered for a rustic appearance. Recycling containers not only reduces costs, but also gives your backyard a distinctive character that reflects your personal style. Add a cozy gravel seating area, an affordable patio for relaxation. Creating a patio doesn't require expensive paving stones. A simple gravel surface bordered with bricks or timber provides a clean, attractive seating area at minimal cost. Add 2 comfortable chairs, a small table, and surrounding vertical plants to establish an inviting outdoor retreat. The combination of gravel and greenery produces a peaceful atmosphere that feels both practical and naturally beautiful. Grow fresh herbs vertically. A garden that's beautiful and useful. Vertical herb gardens combine decorative appeal with everyday practicality. Install narrow wall-mounted planters or hanging pockets to grow basil, rosemary, mint, parsley, oregano, and thyme. These fragrant plants add texture, pleasant aromas, and fresh ingredients for cooking. Keeping herbs elevated also improves air circulation, simplifies harvesting, and makes excellent use of otherwise unused vertical surfaces in small backyards. Light up the garden with solar lamps. Affordable evening ambience without electricity. Solar-powered garden lights are budget-friendly and easy to install. Place pathway lights along walking areas, hang solar lanterns from fences, or weave string lights through climbing plants. As darkness falls, the gentle glow highlights foliage and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Because solar lights recharge naturally during the day, they provide ongoing beauty without increasing electricity costs. Create layers with different plant heights, building visual depth in compact spaces. A beautiful garden feels full without appearing crowded. Arrange taller vertical plants toward fences, medium-sized shrubs in the middle, and lower flowers along pathways. This layered approach creates natural depth that visually enlarges the backyard. Mixing leaf textures, bloom colors, and varying heights produces a balanced landscape that remains interesting throughout the growing season while staying easy to maintain. Introduce a small water feature, adding calm with gentle flowing water. Even the smallest backyard can benefit from the relaxing sound of water. A compact fountain, ceramic bowl with a recirculating pump, or DIY water feature placed among vertical plants creates a peaceful focal point. The soft sound masks neighborhood noise and attracts birds, making the garden feel more alive. Budget-friendly water features often have a surprisingly large impact on the overall atmosphere. Keep maintenance easy and affordable, designing a garden that lasts for years. Choose hardy plants suited to your local climate so they require less watering and replacement. Apply mulch to retain moisture, reduce weeds, and keep the soil healthy. Install simple drip irrigation if possible, and regularly prune climbing plants to maintain their shape. A low-maintenance garden saves both time and money while allowing you to enjoy your outdoor sanctuary throughout every season. Conclusion: small spaces can inspire big garden dreams. A limited budget should never limit your creativity. By combining vertical plants, recycled materials, thoughtful layouts, affordable lighting, and practical gardening techniques, any small backyard can become a vibrant outdoor escape filled with charm and personality. Every improvement, no matter how simple, contributes to a more inviting landscape. We hope these 30 budget-friendly backyard garden ideas inspire your next transformation and encourage you to create a peaceful green retreat that reflects your own style, one beautiful project at a time.